This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering prerequisites and launching installation right away. Insert the Sims 2 disk or mount the ISO, and enter your product key when prompted. Once done, run the setup as administrator and choose a custom install to control components. Make sure antivirus is paused to avoid blocked files, and select a target folder with at least 8 GB free so installation won't fail mid-process. After the base installer finishes, you immediately apply the official patches to stabilize gameplay. This fixes many crashes and compatibility issues. Next, install the Ultimate Collection patch or the 1.7.0 update depending on your edition, and then switch the exe to compatibility mode if needed. Once the game runs, add a trusted mod manager and your chosen custom content. Do this step by step so you can identify. You finish by launching Sims 2 to create configuration files, then copy saves and add custom content slowly to verify stability. If the game crashes or won't launch, remove recently added mods, toggle data execution prevention, and reapply compatibility settings. These fixes resolve most errors. Finally, back up your saves and downloads folders regularly so you can restore progress quickly. If problems persist, reinstall with a clean game folder and reapply patches carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.